Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the heart of the Paleolithic age and settlement of the Paleolithic age and how the peoples were hunters and food gatherers. We have discussed in the last class. So, today in this class, let us discuss about the Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age is also called a Middle Stone Age. It begins from the 10,000 BC to 8,000 BCE. Around 12,000 BC to 10,000 BC, the world is became relatively warmer place. When the world had become relatively warmer place around 12,000 to 10,000 BCE, the grassland was developed in the many parts of the world. The grassland was developed in the many parts of the world. And so number of the animals, see this is the grassland. And around 12,000 BC to 10,000 BC, when the world has relatively warmer, it leads to the development of the grassland. So when the grassland has developed, so number of the animals survived in this grassland. Say these are the grassland animals. Number of the animals were survived in the grassland like a deer, goat, tiger, rhinos, bison, and many others. And in India, in the Mesolithic age, the microliths have been found. The tools of the Mesolithic age are called a microliths. What are microliths? The microliths means the smaller and more efficient tools. Smaller, sharper, and more efficient tools are called a microliths. In India, where the microliths have been found? In India, the microliths have been found in the Chota Nagpur regions. It's in Jharkhand and banks of River Ganga in Uttar Pradesh. In these places, the microliths have been found. Okay, so then tools. So what the Middle Stone Age peoples or Mesolithic Age peoples were learnt. The Mesolithic Age peoples were learned to make the smaller, sharper. So the Mesolithic Age peoples were learned to make the smaller, sharper, and more efficient tools are called a microliths. So then what was the size of the microliths? The size of the microliths about the 3 mm to 5 mm. They have the small size of the tools were 3 mm to 5 mm in size. And so these microliths have probably stuck on the handles. These handles are made of the bones and wood. These make tools such as the saws and sickles. And early men were the creative enough. The early men were the creative enough to devise the different techniques to make a different tools. Okay, so now let us discuss about the type of the life of the peoples. How the peoples so in the Mesolithic age, in the Mesolithic age, the early mans were learned to lead a settled life with the beginning of the agriculture. Means agriculture have started during the Mesolithic age. In this period, the Mesolithic age the people started to lead a settled life, and they started to do the agriculture and rearing of the animals. Rearing of the animals. Rearing of the animals. And even the early men, the Mesolithic age peoples also learned to produce some of his own food, such as the wheat, barley, and many other things. So wheat and barley are the earliest crops. The man also the Mesolithic age people learned to produce the some of his own food crops such as the wheat and barley, and even so they learned to how the seeds grew into the plants and produce the food. Understood? And this meant that development did not have to constantly move from one place to another place. Means, so the peoples, the before the in the Mesolithic age, the peoples were Paleolithic age peoples were the nomads. They were moving from one place to another place in search of food. Is it not? But here, when the peoples, when the Mesolithic age, when the peoples were learned to grow the food and started to lead a settled life, so now they did not move from one place to another place, and they learned to grow the food grains of its own. So now let us discuss about the Neolithic age. So the Neolithic age is also called a New Stone Age. Neolithic age is also called a New Stone Age, and it begins from 8000 BC to 4000 BCE. So now in the Neolithic age, the man started to lead a settled life. The man started to lead a settled life and began to the food production. And they settled. Where they settled? They settled near the source of water resource, because they started to the agriculture. Agriculture is need a water resource, and for the daily consumption they need a water. So because the Neolithic age people began the settled life and began the agriculture, and this is the settlement of the Neolithic age. Where they settled? So they settled near the water resource, and when this first they started the settled life, then it began to development of the village, and later it began to communicate, and even they began to domesticate animal also. Which was the first to domesticate animals? So dog was the first domesticated animal. Okay, so the animals also began to be domesticated, and during this period the wheel was discovered. What the wheel was discovered, so this discovered of the wheels influenced the future in many ways. Means, this wheel was used to make a bullock carts which was carry the goods from one place to another place. And here the tools were not better shaped and polished. The Neolithic age, the tools were not better shaped and polished, but here, so they were used. They started to believed in the worship of the nature. They believed the worship of the nature, and the people began to believe in a life after death. The peoples were believing in a life after death. The peoples were believed in a worship of the nature, and also began to believe in a life after death. Understood? And now let us discuss about the Chalcolithic age. So Chalcolithic age begins from the 4000 BC to 2000 BCE. So Chalcolithic age is also called a copper age. Chalcolithic age is also called a copper age. And so in the copper age or Chalcolithic age, the people began to use to make a tools and weapons. In the Chalcolithic age, the copper was began to make a tools and weapons, and over a period of time the other metals were also discovered. Why? To make a different alloys. Understood? And so some of the major civilization, such as the Indus Valley civilization was flourished in the Chalcolithic age. So Chalcolithic age begins from 4000 BCE to 2000 BCE. So the Chalcolithic age is also called a copper age. The copper was began to use to make a tools and weapons. Not only copper in the Chalcolithic age, even other metals were also discovered to make different alloys, such as the iron plague, and other things. And important major civilizations such as the Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, even this civilization also flourished during the Chalcolithic age. Okay, so in the next class, let us discuss about the next lesson.